Today we're visiting Independence National Historical Park in Philadelphia, and in this video we're going to explore the Liberty Bell Center, home to one of America's most iconic symbols of freedom. So without any further ado, let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome to Metro Snippets. It's a cloudy day in Philadelphia and there's even a little drizzle, but that's not going to stop us from exploring the Liberty Bell Center. As you can see, there's quite a long line to get inside. I'm almost at the end of it, and it took about 15 minutes to enter the building and pass through the security screening. The entrance to the Liberty Bell Center is located at 526 Market Street, and visitors exit from the south side of the building near Chestnut Street. The center is open daily from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and the best part is that admission is completely free. No tickets are required. Entry is on a first-come, first-served basis. The Liberty Bell was originally known as the State House Bell because it hung in the tower of the Pennsylvania State House, the building we know as Independence Hall. In 1751, Isaac Norris, the Speaker of the Pennsylvania Assembly, ordered a bell from the famous Whitechapel Foundry in London. Unfortunately, the original bell cracked during its first test run. Local metal workers John Pass and John Stowe melted down the damaged bell and recast a new one right here in Philadelphia. This is the bell that called lawmakers to their meetings and summoned townspeople to hear important public announcements and news. Interestingly, it wasn't until the 1830s that the old State House bell began to be recognized as a powerful symbol of liberty. The Liberty Bell carries the famous inscription from King James Bible, "Proclaim liberty throughout all the land unto all the inhabitants thereof." This verse comes from the book of Leviticus and refers to the practice of freeing slaves and returning property every 50 years during the year of Jubilee. Isaac Norris selected this inscription when he commissioned the bell in 1751. During the American Revolution, however, these words attracted very little attention. It was only decades later that abolitionists fighting to end slavery embraced the bell as a powerful symbol of freedom and equality, giving it the name we know today, the Liberty Bell. The Liberty Bell originally weighed 2,080 pounds and is made primarily of bronze, consisting of about 70% copper and 25% tin, along with small amounts of lead, silver, gold, zinc, and arsenic. The wooden yoke supporting the bell is made from American elm, although historians cannot confirm whether it is the original yoke that came with the bell. If you're enjoying the video so far, please take a moment to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and leave a like. It really helps support the channel and allows me to create more travel videos like this. If you have recommendations for interesting places to visit in New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Connecticut, or Massachusetts, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I would love to hear your suggestions. One of the biggest mysteries surrounding the Liberty Bell is exactly when and how it first cracked. No one knows for certain, but historians believe that a small crack most likely developed during the early 1840s, after nearly 90 years of regular use. In 1846, before the celebration of George Washington's birthday, city officials attempted to repair the bell. Metal workers widened the narrow crack using a technique called stop drilling, hoping to prevent it from spreading and restore the bell's sound. So, the large crack you see today is actually part of that repair attempt. Unfortunately, the repair didn't work. According to newspaper reports at the time, another crack soon formed, extending upward from the word Philadelphia toward the word Liberty. That second crack permanently silenced the bell, and since then it has never rung again. No one alive today has ever heard the Liberty Bell ring with its original voice. And that's our visit to the Liberty Bell Center. Thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and happy exploring.